Hello guys, Steve here, NRC. I'm with my Kyosho Foxx. I did my collection video and I pulled this sucker out and seen it. I didn't use it in a long time, so I figured I'd give it a run. I have it on 4S LiPo and it's killer on that. So I turned down the throttle on there, the end point to 75 to slow it a little bit down. It has so much torque, it's crazy. Let's give it a run here. It's a beauty. Probably gonna go on the ball field with it. That thing just, with these paddle tires, guys, look at this. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, Nelly. I don't want to beat on it, but it's like old. There's the bottom on it. I think I'm gonna go to the ball field. I don't want to wreak havoc on this thing too much. Take it up this part here. You'll hear these knobby tires. Listen to the paddles. That's only on 75% the throttle end point. Oh, jackknifed it. Boy, it's dry. It hasn't rained here in a long time. Oh. All right, let's go to the ball field. Woo, this thing's a beast. I may turn it up to 100 on the ball field. Alright, we're at the ball field. You check if my lens is clean. Looks like it. I'm gonna turn her up to 100 here. Let me see. Alright, that should be good. This ain't as fast as the USA one I got. But it's a beauty. I'm in a cloud. Woo! I gotta get out of here. Whew, it's dusty. Whew, breathing in that ain't no good to do for your lungs. Oh, I just hit a rock. I may do another video, guys, taking it somewhere else up there, so I may have part 2. But this is going to be just a little run in here. It's crazy. This one ain't that bad on forest. Like I said, my other one, the big USA one, has a faster motor and bigger tires, so it goes faster top speed. It's like crazy. This one's actually good on the forest. Let's see if I could do a wheelie here. It's just gonna smoke them. Oh! Alright, guys. That's this beast of a beauty here. I'm gonna see if I could take it somewhere else. Maybe go up on the top part of the park here and do some other type of video, so I'll have 2 videos. Because I didn't run this in a long time. It's actually fun as hell. So I'll see you on another video with the Fox. If you're watching, subscribe. Hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. And I'll see you next time. I'll show you real quick how this opens up before I go. Pretty cool, huh, guys? Look at that. I busted this top piece up. You can see I busted that up. When you crack your Lexan body, just get the paint off with a Dremel tool, like a router thing, grinder. You get that UV glue and you put it on there. It holds Lexan together like new again. Anyway, here's the chassis. I got the lights on the front. She's a beauty. Lots of fun. I'm running 2 of the SMC. I think they're 5200s, like a 90C battery. Works good. And this has a 2100 kV motor. The USA one has a faster motor. Alright, guys, that's it for this beast. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Let's get this body back on. Later with the Fox.